Global Village Tours was started in 2015. We just come back from quite a bit of travelling, and I guess we had a business idea to basically offer people a service to facilitate travelling to really weird destinations, particularly places that are difficult to get to on your own. I think the catalyst for that was Dave. David actually won a trip to North Korea, and it kind of started from there.
Yeah, basically entered a competition in 2015, ended up winning a trip to North Korea, experienced what, people actually going about their daily life. When I came back from North Korea, my eyes were definitely opened to off the beaten path destinations, and I think traveling places that are that little bit more special are very rewarding experience and unbelievably enjoyable at the same time.
So what you can expect from a Global Village Tour is we are group tours from anything from 4 people up to 20. We've got an English speaking Western guide on every tour. We also have local guides, and I guess we're not a typical group tour. Firstly, we visit places that are pretty off the beaten track, and secondly, we're not really interested in skimming the surface or tourist traps. We want to give you an immersive, authentic traveling experience. We want to take you places that everybody else isn't going. We want to take you to local restaurants, and I guess there's an emphasis, how do we put it, avoiding flags and whistles. And
yeah, we definitely aren't flags and whistles or on and off a bus every 10 minutes, but it's more, put on the rucksack and enjoy a couple of cans every evening, or maybe some during the day, depends on the tour. But no, definitely not your typical group tour. And I think to hit the road basically with a group of people that you've never met before, but to quickly realise that I'm travelling around with my like-minded peers adds to the whole our whole ethos of just having a really unique and enjoyable week, and something where you return home and really have gained a lot from.
So as you can see, we're sitting in the beautiful surroundings of the Cuban rural countryside, and Cuba's become one of our most popular destinations. So we worked pretty hard at putting together an itinerary that gives people an authentic, real side of Cuba, avoiding the tourist traps.
So 2 scheduled group tours per year, one in April, May, specifically taking in the May Day celebrations around Havana, which are obviously incredible, and then another group tour in November. November is quite a good one too, because you get to escape the winter cold at home and chill out in the sun. I'd have to say probably the ideal way to end a bespoke tour, if you're traveling throughout Cuba, seeing several of the major cities, towns, experiencing the countryside where we are now, meeting the people, visiting many of the best hand-picked restaurants, bars, etc. The ideal way to round that off would probably be to spend about 2 or 3 days on one of the country's incredible beaches. So we, as part of our beach legs on each tour, we can organise beach parties and barbecues at the beach as well.